One of the biggest questions that I've been receiving over the last few weeks and months is how do I properly promote my affiliate links over on Pinterest? I've been trying to do it and I've been getting blocked and I've been getting banned. So how do I do it the right way? So in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to promote your products over on Pinterest so that your ClickBank affiliate links can go through and that you can start making money. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload my brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so if you take a look at my screen here, you can see that I have about 368,000 monthly views, and I am posting all sorts of stuff. Now, I will be upfront and I'll tell you, the wrong way to promote your affiliate offers over on Pinterest is just to put in your links. For example, if we go up to create here and we do create pin and we add in a link to ClickBank, it's going to throw an error. For example, let's see here. I'm going to open up my ClickBank account in a new tab here. What you need to realize is that these websites are getting pretty smart. They will see that your link is an affiliate link and they don't want affiliate links directly in their content. And there are ways that you can add value. You can get your affiliate links out there without having to just spam them. Putting your affiliate links directly in places is the absolutely wrong way to go, simply because if something were to change, maybe the affiliate program is no longer being offered, you are going to miss out on the traffic and opportunity. So here I am in ClickBank. I'm going to go over to, let's pick e-business and e-marketing, which I'm sure is a pretty common one. I'm going to click on promote right here, and I'm going to generate hop link, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to close that out the way. And then if I put this here, I should receive an error. So if I just go over to Canva real quick and quickly make a link. So if I'm going to go canva.com, a thing real quick. I'm just going to make a pin real quick and then I'll get right back to you. All right, so as you can see, I quickly made a Pinterest pin. I have no idea what it's actually about. So we'll open this up here and let's see if I can find it real quick. I'll drag this over and I'm going to drag and drop this. And I'm going to say this is a test so that you can see for yourself. This is a test. This is a test to show you not to put your affiliate links in the link section. All right. So when I hit publish, I should receive an error. So we hit publish and we're waiting. As you can see, sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. They see these links here and they don't appreciate them. We could try the same thing with Amazon. If I go over to amazon.com, and I'm just going to grab the link for the watch band that I've been referring to this entire week. I'm going to grab this text link here. Let's see, text link. All right, so I'm going to copy the short link, go over to Pinterest, paste that in, click publish, and let's see if this one works. We'll probably get the same error. Because it's Amazon, it might go through. So Amazon looks like it works. For all the people that say Amazon doesn't work, Amazon works. As you can see here, if I refresh, I will probably be able to see my new pin. A better way to do it though, again, you should not just put in your affiliate links simply because if Amazon were to change, maybe your Amazon account gets deleted, maybe you find a better offer at a different affiliate network or affiliate program, you don't want to just have dead links out there. You're missing out on money and opportunity. What I recommend that you do, a better way, would be to send them to somewhere where you have more control. Let's see if I can see how to delete this real quick. Edit pin, allow pin. Let's see if I can edit pin. A better way, as I mentioned, is to send them somewhere where that gives you more control. What you can do Yes, delete pen. What I recommend that you do, a better option or a better alternative, is to send them to a landing page to collect their email address. That way you can send them emails and make money. You can use something like Aweber, which is free for the first 500 subscribers to your email list. You can send them to a YouTube channel. On the YouTube channel, you have more flexibility and you have more control where you can change out affiliate links. You can send them to your blog or your website. That's the right way to do affiliate marketing. Sending people blindly to affiliate links is almost never a good idea. So if we go, let's create a new pin here. So if we do new pin, let's do new pin, we'll go to create, we'll create pin, and we are going to upload that same pin once again. See if I can find it. We're going to copy and paste here. We're going to say this is test 2. And what you can do, and you'll have no problem, is you can send them to a website, alstongodbolt.com. That will work. If I send them to a landing page, for example, if I go to alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, this is a landing page. This is actually a redirect. As you can see here, I'll copy this, and I'll go back over to this right here. And if I hit publish, that goes to a redirect, which should work. And this is the right way to do affiliate marketing. You're building your email list, like I mentioned. If I go over to Aweber, Aweber, just like that. If I go over to Aweber, you can start Aweber for free for the first 500 subscribers. So really, there's no excuse for not being able to build an email list. You can build an email list right through Aweber. As you can see, free, 0 to 500. And then when you have more than 500, it's $16 per month. Hopefully by the time you've gotten to 500 subscribers, you've made $16. And so, you'd really be paying you wouldn't be paying anything out of your pocket. But if we go over to Pinterest here, this actually says it blocks it as well. Let's try this, alstongodbolt.com/start. We'll click publish and we'll come back and see if that works. But what I recommend that you do, start for free. As you can see here, you can create and send newsletters. You can email automation, RSS, drag and drop, email builder, hundreds of email templates, HTML, dynamic, AMP, landing pages. You can build landing pages right through Aweber, and you won't have any issues with it. So if we go back over to Pinterest, all right, so it says it may lead to spam as well. If we go to alstongodbolt.com and we click publish, alstongodbolt.com should work. And what you could do is you could get a blog for, I think Bluehost is like $3.95 per month. If we go to bluehost.com, get a blog for $3.95 per month, create a WordPress blog starting at $2.95 per month. So $2.95 per month. Create a blog, create a website, and then put your affiliate links on your website. So what you could do, for example, if I go over to my website, alstongodbolt.com, like that, you can have this simple page. You could have one page on your blog, just like this. Or you could create individual blog posts for the different products that you're recommending. That's the right way to do it. I'm not sure why it blocked my landing pages, but if your landing page doesn't work, there's YouTube. If YouTube doesn't work, there's your website. Amazon does work, as you can see. These are all different ways that you can make money. Now that you know how to properly post your affiliate links on Pinterest, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.